today we're gonna do, this is easy, the girls are gonna know the baby. See, in the kitchen I'll cook a meal right now. I'll deal with some curry chicken, rice and peas. So we'll do the breast. We'll do breast, right? Chicken breast. First thing, I'm gonna wash it, you know. I'm gonna wash it to get the freshness off. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some all-purpose flour to wash the chicken. You can use lime, vinegar, or flour. I'm gonna use flour, you know what I mean, Trinidad style. That's a matter. Yeah, we'll just wash it. I wash out all of the flour out of it, you know what I mean? And then you have the chicken breast, well, nice, you know what I mean? If you can listen to one of the 80s songs playing in the background, you know what I mean? So I think setting up. Alright. Alright. So we get it washed. Alright. I'm gonna cut up this now. I'm gonna cut them in small pieces. Yeah, so you just cut them in small pieces. You know, a curry thing, you know what I mean? Alright, so here we go, we get the chicken prepared and cut the chicken, cut out the chicken in small pieces. So the next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this seasoning now. So I'm in the US, so I'm gonna use the Creole seasoning, so New Orleans seasoning, Louisiana seasoning. In Jamaica I would use Easy Spice. That is my favorite seasoning I use in Jamaica, Easy Spice. I'm in America right now, that's my little baby. I'm in America now, so the Creole seasoning is a Louisiana flavor, you know, it's real nice. Like, it's similar to the Easy Spice, so I work with this. So I put liquor in it. Can't put too much because it have salt already, so, you know what I mean, so I put liquor in it. But that amount good, you see. Alright, when I have curry chicken, me do it, I'm using a Jamaican curry powder, okay? So what I do, I put a little bit in this and a little bit in oil as well. You know, that's how I do it. The more the curry, the curry get in the meat too. You know, we want a boss, so me have to get a boss. Wow, hungry boy, I cook curry chicken there now. Remember me tell her. Alright, see that now, I put the curry powder in like that now. I'll make that one smoky like that for a bit. And you know I might cut up some onion and stuff and things like that. Mama! Alright, I'll get some onion and thing like that. I like use a lot of onion, you know. Onion good for your man sex drive as well, you know, so I like use a lot of onion. So I have onion and I have scallion as well. Jacasta, what's up? Mama. Then we get my tomato, onion, tomato, scallion. I use some Irish as well. Just not too much Irish, you know what I mean? But you know, dice up with Irish in it as well. It help with the gravy, you see my carrot.
Mama, you carrot.
Dice up some carrot, you see my jiggle. Daddy's cooking curry chicken. I'm gonna cook curry chicken and white rice, okay? You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna eat some of this? You're gonna eat some of this? Okay. Hey, Jacasta, your daddy is a chef. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a little piece of country pepper because I have my baby and I don't want it to. So nice, eh? And put a little piece. Garlic. Garlic is important in cooking. Garlic is very important in cooking, so I not left my garlic. What's the matter? Check out that. Move a finger. I like cut my garlic them real fine, you know, so that the juice can go down some people blend the garlic, but me like dice it up. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So we have all our seasoning now, so we just stir it up and go and wait for a little bit, you know what I mean? You can let this sit for like half an hour to get the seasoning soaked down in it, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Mama.
I'm not a big chef, you know, but my mother and my father can cook, so I always watch them. I'm going to watch the good creative cooking show back in the days, and I don't know, so that's how I get my cooking skill. I'm a man practice for my little youth for cooking, so that's how I get my cooking skill. So I make that stick for half an hour and then I'll put it in a pot and start dealing with it. So I make an error star, I forgot the time. I use that timer still. You know, Jamaica we have a fresh timer with us on the stick, but this one is a leaf, you know, so we just use this. As what I say, America made them, you know, they are Jamaican, you see me, but the things them are here, so you know, we'll use them suddenly. So I use some time, like, because you don't know the time I feel like to get a good flavor, you know what I'm saying? So when in cooking, the main things, scallion, onion, pepper, thyme, and garlic, them the thing that give your food flavor. Them the thing. When you use them the thing, and I have to use no artificial nothing. You see what I say? Those are the real seasoning. You see what I say? And the good old pimento seed said way. You get what I say? But I now put no pimento seed in this. You see me? Put some cooking oil. Alright, make the cooking oil hot. See? When I do curry, I like burn the curry set speed. Now that gives a good flavor again. But I also put some in the meat as well. So burn the curry. Alright. Can't burn it too much, you know. You know what I mean? So it's burning. So I mean, burn up the camera really. I'm sorry, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. So we get the curry set with everything in the pot. Let's watch this. Small start. Then cook up. But anyway, we're going to stir up this other. Kind of make it fry like first before you add in the water. Wow, it smells sweet already. Something else, I'm a big chef, you know. Once you season right and you start cook, you're going to smell the pot from afar. You know what I mean? Like when we're in Jamaica, a man come down and say, yo, I smell a pot from way up the road, you know. It's nice, man. You know it's the flavor, right? You smell it. Alright, there you go. I'll cover it up for a while and let it go and simmer, you know. You can go and simmer this up. I'll go and stir it out, turn it over now. Let it turn a little bit now. One. Alright, so this is the first time I check it. I'm gonna let it sit for another 5 minutes or so and then I add water to it so that it can cook down with the gravy and stuff. Okay, move on. I'm gonna add some water to it. You see me kind of uncomfortable cooking with these type of pots. You know, Jamaica we use original Dutch. You see me I say, but I don't get my Dutch here. I go order one still, you know. But anyhow, add little water. I'm using a breast, so you don't know a breast I take long to cook. When you're cooking chicken, you cook it to your suit. Some people like it soft, some people like it not too soft. Well, I like mine soft, you know, so I cook it a little longer, you know what I mean. You know, basically chicken take like 25 minutes to cook. But I like mine soft, so I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer than that. You get what I'm saying? Alright, I'm doing another pot here. Cooking 2 pot right now. I'm doing this is a peas cooking, red peas and curry chicken. So I'm gonna cook curry chicken and rice and peas. That's the meal that I'm doing right now. So now the peas I go and cook. Chicken I cook set time, don't know. I'm going to show you how I do the rice and peas, but the peas I have to cook first. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, alright. So the thing set, you know. We have to can prepare our own meal. That's what I say. Don't know. Health is your wealth. That's what I say. Because I don't know. So easy the girls and baby and man have to get rich. A richness we say. So an idea we have to cook our own meal for keep it with wealth, you know. Health is your wealth. You get what I say? Big it up. Easy the girls and baby. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, here we go. I'm cooking a pot of rice and peas. Peas cooking, the peas are already cooked. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some scallion. Do it like this. Do it like this. And drop it in there. Alright. We're going to use some thyme as well. Thyme. I leave thyme around the popcorn, not the real one. Put it with thyme. I ain't problem with it. I'm going to use some Uncle Ben rice. But before I buy rice, I need grace. I use a grace coconut milk. See? When you're cutting this thing, you use a cutter. You used to use the knife, so.
brand new sofa that's at gallery right now. It's beautiful. Do you know what I would do with that?
So there you go. Put one coconut milk in there.
I create a chic sanctuary with
Alright.
and elegant.
You gotta stir that.
Not me. I would definitely go full. Something exciting. Something really good for
Put some salt in there. Put a little salt. Salt to taste. Can put country pepper in it. When put some country pepper in it already. So put country pepper as well. So you have scallion, thyme and country pepper. Alright. Can make that boil a little bit meanwhile. You know, I'll prepare rice. You see man? So what we're going to use, I use uncle bean rice. Let me show you one more. I'll put like a pound in now. So that amount of cheese on the out there, you know what I'm saying? About that amount. Let me say hungry Ben rice have to wash, but I like wash my rice. It's nice to get a little water wash. It's nice to that shit well nice.
Two snake trappers recently caught a massive 15-foot python as part of a challenge.
Python and snake.
Snakes in the Florida Everglades. They were fun to send in our
anyway.
pretty brave, but getting it under control is about as terrifying as
Rice, garlic. Alright, watch out now. I'm gonna stir it. Look like more of the time. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to make a cover up and cook now. Alright, when I cook rice, I normally have this stove on high first, and then when it starts coming to a boil, I cut them with temperature. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it go and cook on that high temperature for a while, and then I'll cut it down after a while. Because you don't want the rice to burn up. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's that one. Yeah. Alright, so it's all ready, you know. Alright. So there of it, that's the rice and peas. Wow, beautiful. Well nice. And there's a curry chicken there. Alright, let me get some. See? Sherry. See? It's loose, it's sherry, you know, that's why you put rice and peas. some salad here. Sweet pepper, cucumber, lettuce, avocado. Get everything. Tomato as well. Beautiful.